Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another Mask Minutes. So I'm about to hop into the shower and I'm going to use a body scrub before I get in there. The one I'm going to use is the Jack Black Turbo Body Scrub. So this product is a multi-use product. You can use it in a couple different ways. Best used on dry skin. So if you're going to use it before you get in the shower, you would actually rub it into your skin. You could also use it as a muscle soak in the bathtub. Or you can just use it at the sink to exfoliate your hands if your hands are feeling dry or rough. So in terms, I think I showed you what it looked like. There we go, that's it. Got a nice sort of gritty, thick texture to it. In terms of ingredients, it's got a few key ingredients. Sea salt, so there's Hawaiian salt, Dead Sea salt, and Epsom salts. These are all gonna help to remove dead skin cells, exfoliate the skin. Those are all very mineral-rich salts too, so those are gonna provide benefits to your skin as well. Also contains arnica, which is great at helping to address bruising or swelling or pain from working out, that sort of thing. And then it also contains shea butter, which is a great moisturizer. So it's going to get rid of all those dead skin cells and then infuse your skin with all these minerals and hydrators. So if you were using it before showering, like I'm going to do, you would just take a little bit, rub it in the palms of your hands, like that. It's got like a sort of a thick texture, but it kind of dissolves when you rub it in, and then you would just rub it into your skin like that. Probably better to do it over the bathtub or in the shower if you have a freestanding shower, because it kind of gets the salt sort of drips off a little bit. But you would basically do that and then get in the shower and then work it into the skin a little bit more, and then rinse it off, and your skin is going to feel pretty damn amazing afterwards. So yeah, check it out, shopmasc.com, the Jack Black Turbo Body Scrub. And of course, we have it in the store in Vancouver as well. Thanks for listening.